If you've been watching our virtual tour series, you'll know that at GA we don't leave anything to chance with our production processes. And it is no different in the packaging area. Computer-controlled systems, the latest packaging technology, and the eagle eyes of our packaging operators ensure only the highest quality products leave site for our partners. Yujus is in charge of the packing area, and it's his job to ensure that everything runs as smoothly as possible.
Once a specific packing order is received, we use packing bins that have an RFID chip built in. This scans the bin and allocates it to the specific order, which means it is impossible to add the wrong product to the wrong packaging. The whole packing process is computer controlled to ensure that each order is filled correctly and to the partner specifications. So from the moment the process begins, the product is under continuous scrutiny, both by my team and by numerous electronic control measures. Once we have eliminated any product dust with a vibratory feeder, the product is then covered the whole way through to final packaging to ensure its integrity. However, we do still pass the product through a metal detector as a final check for any metal contamination that could have entered the packaging from one of the machines.
We have hundreds of different products that get passed through our packaging lines. And as there are so many different designs of pack, it's essential the right product gets matched to the right bag.
When we select the bags for specific order, the optical vision system checks the imagery of the bags we have selected to ensure it matches with the description of the partner's order. The system is really precise, and even if we have packaging that looks very similar, the camera can spot tiny differences. If we select the wrong bag, an alarm sounds, letting us know something might be wrong. With the correct bag selected, it is laser etched with relevant data such as the product codes, best before date, and then the bag is precisely filled using a multi-head weighing system.
At GA, it's not just the products themselves that we ensure are the finest quality. We make the whole process of using and displaying the product the best we can. The laser etching process that you just talked about is specific to each partner, so they can tell us where they'd like their codes to be for ease of use with their own systems, and also not to obscure any packaging artwork that they may use. And by using laser etching, it means codes won't smudge or be hard to read once the product reaches our partners.
The sealing process of the bags is also very precise and uses impulse technology to give a seal that performs flawlessly and looks better when the packaging is on the shelves. All the seals are checked using a thermographic camera which checks that the bag is 100% sealed and that the sealing machine is working correctly. Once we are happy the bag is sealed, it is weighed again and given a final X-ray before heading off to the baling machine and automated palletizer.
With such care and attention going into every bag of food, it's no surprise we don't just throw them onto a pallet for distribution. Every order is carefully baled and stacked to get the maximum product safety onto a pallet. We use 60% less film than other manufacturers because we ensure our bags are uniformly bundled. It means we can get more packs onto a pallet, reducing our overall delivery costs for our partners and reducing transport emissions. And even the film we use is recyclable.